Hello, Tony. Hello, teacher. Hello. Okay, are you ready? Yes? Perfect. Can you tell teacher or show teacher where is rooster? Very good. Say rooster. Where is sheep? Sheep. No, this one. Sheep. Where is cow? Good. Where is pig? Good. Where is hen? Hen. Yes, good. Where is horse? Horse. Horse. Hey. Hey. This one. Okay. Where is duck? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, good. And last one, where is goat? Goat. Bah, bah, goat. Where is, yes, goat. Very good. Now, can you tell teacher what animal is this? Have that pattern? It's a dog. It's a dog. A dog say, what a dog say? Woof.
Woof, woof.
Good. What animal is this one? What animal is this? A pig say, oink. Yes, good. What animal is this? Duck, good. A duck say, quack. Good. What animal is this? Good. A cat say, meow. Yes. And what animal is this? Horse. Good. A horse say, yes. Very good. And what animal? A sheep say, very good. What animal is this? It's a rooster. Rooster. And a rooster say, cockle, doodle, doo. Okay, what animal is it? And a cow say, moo. Yes. What animal is this? It's a goat. Good. A goat say, and what animal is this? It's a hen. And a hen say, cluck, cluck, cluck. Hey, Tony. Next one. What animal is this? It's a mouse. Mouse. Good. And what animal is this? It's a chick. Very good. And last one. It's a rabbit. Thank you. Not bad.